This message was transmitted by the request of the Chicago Police Department. Multiple reports say that they saw some figures roaming around Chicago. Police are looking one of the figures. If you see them, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Chicago Police Department. The figures were identified as the Bizarre Lore of Team Umizoomi. They are the characters from the show. Also, their names are Geo-Million Bot. All residents of Chicago must stay indoors for the day. If you see Geo-Million Bot, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Chicago Police Department. The black dinosaur named Godzilla is on the search for the Bizarre Lore of Team Umizoomi. Also, multiple reports say that a dragon with 3 heads was helping Godzilla. He's unknown at this time. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Millie has sent 5 missiles to Montana, New York, California, Texas, and Nebraska. If you live any of these states, seek underground shelter immediately. The dragon with 3 heads was identified. His name is Ghidorah from Godzilla, King of the Monsters. Please remain calm, as Godzilla and Ghidorah are trying to save the world from the Bizarre Lore of Team Umizoomi. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens. And we have some breaking news that Geo and Bot were killed by Godzilla. All residents must stay in your shelters as Millie is the only one left. Wait a second, I think she's going to send a creature that is unknown at this time. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off. Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Nathan Steven, and we have some breaking news that Millie has sent a creature named Inner Flame Candle. Wait, I thought Therizinosaurus killed her. But anyways, in Chicago is my reporter James. So James, what's going on in Chicago?
I'm down here in Chicago and it's completely chaos. As you know, people are being evacuated the city of Chicago. Inner Flame Candle and Millie are destroying buildings at their path. Godzilla and Ghidorah are planning how to kill Inner Flame Candle and Millie. Oh no, Inner Flame Candle has found me. I need to get out of here.
Oh no. Inner Flame Candle has killed another reporter. But anyways, all residents must stay away from Inner Flame Candle and Millie as they could kill you. That's all I have for. Wait. Millie had broken into the studios. I need to get out of here now.
This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Millie has sent the creature, now known as Inner Flame Candle. Wait, Nathan said that Therizinosaurus killed her while she was in Manhattan of New York City. Anyways, Godzilla and Ghidorah are fighting to the death of Millie and Inner Flame Candle. All residents must stay away from this battle. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Okay, Inner Flame Candle. Guess what?
Now you die.
Hey! What happened to Inner Flame Candle? You just killed her! Now I'm gonna kill you both! Absolutely not! I'm gonna kill you. Say goodbye.
This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear, I repeat, all clear. Millie has been killed by Ghidorah and Inner Flame Candle has killed once again. All residents of Chicago, you can get out of your shelters. However, it could take a few days to repair the damage that Inner Flame Candle and the bizarre lore of Team Umizoomi caused. Normal programming will now resume.